Elsa Arnel Castillo. Why did you spread it like Jim Paredes that you're making naked photos, videos, whatsoever? You don't know what you're doing, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. You're making a lots of cybercrime in social media. Even you, Asedjo Jin, both of you. Even you, Jeffrey Asedjo. You're making you're making an anti-Palestinian quote, and you're making nonsense, and you're making a death threats. Jeffrey Asedjo, Jean Asedjo, and Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. When are gonna three of you are going to stop this? Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, you made lots of mistake. You made lots of consequences for what you just did. Why did you spread a scandal in X and Twitter? People are seeing this. Even Harbatera, Victor Martin Soriano, Terra Francisco, Patrick Quezon, Joseph Maspinas, even my dude, Teacher Gio Malana, Jens Manaid, they're singing this, your photos. However, if you make a photos like this, Best Pills, you should never post that in your social media. It makes you viral if you post that in X and Twitter, Best Pills. Do you know there was a cybercrime here in the Philippines? Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, and even an anti photos and videos voyeurism act of 2009. People are very angry at you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. Me, I was very angry at you for what you were saying. You have to stop what you're doing, Best Pills. If you want to stop your scandal, you make sure you should stop what you're doing. Because, Ate Mel Canete is watching you. Even Ate Rona Lucena is watching you. Ate Rona doesn't like to watch your your stupid scandal because of you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. You should never do that in the public. First of all, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, if you post a scandal in X and Twitter, that is an cybercrime. Here in the Philippines, we have cybercrime, and look at in US, Best Pills. They want to be a porn star. Do you want to be like porn star, just like Enrique Hill movie? You want to be a porn star? Best Pills, you're not a porn star. You should be ashamed of yourself. Even Mark Anthony Fernandez, you want to challenge him? He will not gonna challenge you. And I say in Filipino, di ka papansinin ni Mark Anthony Fernandez. If I were you, Best Pills, you should never do that in the public. That's really bad. Me, during the time in 2000, when is that? 2008, that was a years of Ralph Guevara, Lawrence Villawan, Joan Garcia, there's Kim Martinez, Vincent Kim Martinez, during that time, I spread the scandal. When I was 8 years old, my dad beaten me, that's really bad. during 2008. That was year 2008 when I was 10 years old. When I was 11, I never do that in the first place. You know, like naked photos and videos, they are very inappropriate. Oh, and that's really bad. For me, best spills Arnel Castillo. If you're watching this in my YouTube blog, don't spread like a scandal like Jim Paredes. You might be happen to Rodelio Daguman, last 3 years ago. His brother was beaten him because of his spreading his scandal, because he beaten by his a punch by his tooth, he punched his tooth. And now what happened? His brother never get discipline him. His brother, he always discipline him because I know what his ambition was. That was last 2020. Mang Rodelio Daguman made a mistake. He made lots of consequences. And he learned his lesson. Me, I learned my lesson that I will never make a fake account on Facebook. I will never edit a picture of Vince Ramos. That is my consequence, and that is my reality. And I learned my lesson, that I will never make a fake account of Gio Malana. We discussed that with Patrick Kison, in Zoom meeting after after the current event of assassination of Donald Trump, in Pennsylvania, and we discussed about current events. Best pills, Arnel Castillo, when you make a porno, you should never post that in social media. You should learn your lesson. I know what is your ambition was. You posted the scandal like whatsoever. And you post it in Twitter, in X. People are gonna see this, best pills. Arnel Castillo, even Arbatera. Even Terra Francisco, Gio Malana, even Mang Rodelio Daguman, even my friend Crystal Dulce Jurado, Yvette, even Jens Manaid, even the friend of Paulo Cua, Teacher JD, they're gonna see this in the public, best pills. Arnel Castillo, you should be ashamed of yourself. Don't do that. You know me, I've never spread a scandal like this, best pills. Terra Francisco is very mad at you because you didn't learn how to ashamed of yourself, best pills. Like I said to you in Filipino, hindi mo ako binigyan ng kahiyaan mo, best pills. Best pills, you should be ashamed of yourself. Even you, Gina Sejo, even you, Jeffrey Asejo, 3 of you, Gin Asejo, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, and Jeffrey Asejo, 3 of you should be ashamed of yourselves. Because 3 of you are making this mess. 3 of you are making shenanigans in social media. And 3 of you are making a lots of stupidity. This is kind of teachings like good manners and right conduct. This is very terrible. Remember, if there's the time when you see this picture, there is nothing gonna be happen. I say to you, best pills, Arnel Castillo. And you should quit on you should limit your time with your with with your nonsense things, and delete all the videos and photos in your Twitter account in X. People are gonna see this. Oh, if I were you, best pills, Arnel Castillo, don't do that. People are gonna see this, and if I were saying this, people are gonna see this. Oh, you know, if my if Ate Marisol was gonna see this, or even Paulo Siaco, Mikey Villanueva, Kuya Dong, or Kuya Bal, Rich De La Cruz, or even even Ate Hana, Kuya Jay, Ate Isa, especially Kuya Jojo and Ate Ellen, even my dude Terra Francisco and Jens Manaid, or even Joyce Opesha and Dorrance Villawan. They're gonna see this, that your photo of your naked photo, best pills, they gonna see this. You know, best pills, Arnel Castillo, you should never do that in the same place, in the public. You should leave your cell phone while you're taking a bath. Do not bring a cell phone while you're taking a bath. That's why people are seeing this. You will be ashamed of yourself. Don't do that.